Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Noorie, and in today's video I have a luxury haul with lots of Hermes pieces and other great bits. This is actually my first haul after being engaged, which is so weird. I'm still getting over it. It's been like 5 days and we're currently going through a heat wave, so I have a fan on in front of me, so if you can hear that, apologies in advance, but it's very necessary. So hot right now. I'm gonna film this haul for you guys, show some new in bits, including one of my engagement gifts that True gave to me. I literally still can't believe it. Everything will be linked down below, and as always I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Let's get into it. First up, I'm going to start off with my Bottega piece. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this. I couldn't wait to wear this piece, especially for my holiday. And yeah, I'm so excited to share this one. It's very different, and I actually haven't seen many people with this bag. It is the Bottega Jodie in this spaghetti leather, and I am just obsessed with this bag. So I remember when it first got announced that this bag was being released, and I shared the picture on my story, and so many other people did. Like, it was such a big thing about this like spaghetti bag, and also mixed opinions on this. I thought it was going to be a really popular bag, but then it got released and I actually haven't seen very many people with this bag. I've loved it ever since I first saw the pictures of it. I never ended up getting it. I've never seen it in real life. I saw it on the website. I just thought I'd order it and see what it looked like. I could always return it if I didn't like it. It came, and I'm just obsessed with it. So these bits are actually really soft leather, and they're in bits like this, which I thought it'd be like really stiff and kind of stuck to the bag, but it's very kind of, you can see it's very flexible, the straps as well. And then the actual bag is kind of like in a nylon material, and then you have the gold zip. I think I mentioned it in a previous vlog that I'm really looking for kind of no logo bags. I'm a bit tired of the logo bags because I have lots of Chanel bags. Lots of my bags basically have logos on them. Sometimes when I'm getting ready, I kind of just want a bag that doesn't have any hardware or any logos. So I think this bag is perfect. It's in this really gorgeous neutral color, and it just goes with so many of my outfits. I took this on my trip to Lake Como, and I think this was my most worn bag. It literally went with everything. Again, obviously because it's a neutral color. I just think it's a really cool bag. It's so much fun, and I'm really happy with this bag. I think I'm gonna love it forever because it's just really fun, and it's a very iconic Bottega bag. And then next up, I picked up these Amina Muaddi heels. I was so surprised to find them in Selfridges because when they got released, I saw lots of personal shoppers selling these for crazy amounts, as always, and we walked in Selfridges. I saw them on display and I asked if they had my size. They did. I actually got these in a 39.5, which I tend to size up in mules because I hate my feet hanging on the back of it, so I always like to get a size up and then it kind of fits perfectly. They're in this yellow satin. You've got the classic Amina Muaddi heel, and then they have these crystal daisies across the front, and I thought these were the perfect summer heel. I don't have anything like it in my collection. I only have one pair of Amina Muaddi heels, my Begums, and they're so comfortable because of this heel, and these are just as comfortable. I think they're gonna make any outfit look amazing. Like, they'll really add that pop. So yeah, I had to get these, and I'm so happy with them. They come in purple and black. The purple is equally as stunning, but I'm trying to not buy too many of the same things, so I'm gonna stick to these. I now need to get a yellow bag so I can have a matching bag for this. But these are the Amina Muaddis. I haven't worn them out yet because I was saving them for this video, but now I've shown them, I can't wait to wear these. So next up, I'm really excited to share these pieces. So these are actually from a collaboration between Ssense and Drew House. It's the first time that Drew House have partnered with a global platform like Ssense, and I picked up something for True and something for myself, and this part is proudly sponsored by Ssense and Drew House, which is so exciting. I'm a huge Justin Bieber fan. Like, I used to have a YouTube channel called Bieber Fever Girls, where it was just me and my best friend making videos about Justin Bieber. So yeah, this is like so crazy. This is the first piece that I picked up for True. I absolutely love the color of it, and I just love like the smiley face of Drew House. If you don't know about Drew House, it was founded in 2018 by Ryan Good and Justin Bieber, and it's all about having a community that makes you feel safe, loved, encouraged, included, and I just think their pieces are really cool. I have my eye on the purple hoodie. I'll insert a picture. I love the color and I just love the logo, but I thought I would kind of see what these pieces were like. So I got this hat for True, and it's a yellow cap. I mean, for True, but I'm also gonna maybe see it because I don't own any caps and I think they're quite cute. So this is the yellow cap, which has the Drew logo at the front, which is kind of like a smiley face with Drew on there, and at the back it says Drew, and I think it's perfect for True. When I call True's name so much, it becomes like, it sounds like I'm saying Drew, and sometimes in my YouTube comment people think that his name is Drew because I'll be like, oh Drew, blah blah blah, and it's just like, it's a running joke between me and True. Like sometimes I'll call him Drew. I'm gonna get him to try it on to show you what it's like. I love it on him. I love the green here. I think that's such a nice detail. Yellow and green are really beautiful colors together. And it's obviously adjustable, which means that I actually can borrow it from True, even though it's a gift for him.
Hey guys. So this is the Drew hat. And you know Drew is actually my Starbucks name.
Yeah, oh is it?
Because
yeah.
I literally just said Drew. So I can now just wear this hat and be like, that's my name.
Stand back, let's see. Do like a bro pose.
Bro.
I think it's such a nice colour on you.
Yeah, because normally I don't go for bright coloured hats.
I think it's really cool. I think especially because your name is True. This is Drew.
Cool.
And then next up I have this. Now I kept the packaging because I just think it's so cute and it just instantly makes you like smile and happy. I remember when I received the box, the package, and I opened it up and I was literally like squealing because it's just so exciting. I just feel like this is from Justin Bieber himself. But yeah, so the next up I got these slippers, which again have the Drew logo at the front. They're this white material. They kind of feel like the bathrobe material but softer, like really soft, so comfy. They're like really padded, and then the bottom you have Drew, and then they're actually kind of, they've got grip to them. So these are kind of slippers that you could actually, if you wanted to like quickly pop out of the house, you could wear those. Like I'm that kind of person that when I quickly need to run out, I'll just put a pair of like slippers on if I'm sitting in the car. So these are actually great because they've got this grip, but they're just so perfect for kind of like at home lounging. I think they're really cute. They come with a little dust bag. Like how nice is that? I've never had a pair of slippers that come with a dust bag. I think that is so cute. I love the logo. They're a small to medium. I'll do a try on of these slippers, but I just think they're so comfy. I'm gonna literally be wearing them all around the house. Guys, these are the comfiest slippers I've ever put my foot in. They literally feel like I'm walking on a cloud. I love them. I think these are such a good gift as well. Like if you need to get a gift for someone, I think these are so fun, practical, and very comfy. Like I kind of want to wear these out, and it actually looks really cute with my outfit. Let me take a mirror selfie in the moment. This is what the mess is behind me. Yeah, so that was it. That's my next fit. It's one thing for me and one thing for True. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox my Hermes pieces. So I'm just gonna pick it up. I don't actually remember what's in what, apart from these two. Okay, so this one, oh okay. So these were a gift from True just before our Lake Como trip. So basically our Lake Como trip was supposed to be like an anniversary trip. So I actually had no suspicions that I was getting proposed to because the purpose of the trip was for an anniversary. I think if it was like for no reason, it was a surprise trip, I'd have like suspicions, but it was an anniversary trip. And then he, just before we went, gifted me these Hermes ship rays, which I don't know how he got his hand on these. When he gave them to me, I was literally in shock. Like I didn't speak because
the woman was too stunned to speak.
Guys, every time I go past an Hermes shop, I walk into the store and I ask them if they have the ship rays because I'm obsessed with these. A couple of months ago, I picked up the ship rays in the green from Paris, and they were from the men's section, and I was so excited, so lucky to get them. The SA said that was literally the last pair. They are super, super hard to get shoes. I have an SA in London who I've been asking about them, and True managed to get these from their SA, so it was a secret, so that SA knew. And it's so funny because the day before, True and I had gone to that Hermes, to my SA, to ask him about ship rays, and he was like, sorry, like there's absolutely none. And obviously he knew that True had already got these for me. So thank you to our Hermes SA in London for pulling through, because I am so happy I have these. Let me take this off. So these are the Hermes ship ray. These are actually from the women's, which is actually a really nice fit for me. I'm really, really happy I have these. They're in a size 40, and I would 100% recommend sizing up, because even though these are a 40, one size up from my usual size, they are still a little bit smaller. So the men's fits me better in the terms of like length of my foot, and this fits me better on like the width. I need to break them in a little bit because they are like leather, so they need to be softened up, but I'm obsessed with them. They go with everything. And I've said this before about my other ship race, but I think they're at a really good price point for a chunky pair of sandals when you compare them to the Chanel Dad sandals. Thank you, True, for getting these for me, because I love them so much and I'm gonna live in these. They're the perfect sandals. They go with everything, and they're impossible to get, so I have no idea how we actually managed to get these in the black, but I'm so chuffed and very happy. Next up, I'll do another pair of shoes. So these are actually from the men's section. I'll show you them and then I'll tell you about them. Okay, so these are called the Hermes Izmir, and I was first introduced to these when True actually picked up a pair for himself, and I tried on his Izmirs and I was like, wow, these are so comfortable, so much more comfortable than the Hermes Oran. And I think obviously right now in terms of like fashion, we're going through a stage of everything like being chunky and bigger. So for example, like the ship race, the dad sandals, and I think these are a great alternative if you're looking for the ship race but you can't get your hands on them. They're basically like a similar vibe. You've got the big H going on, you just don't have the strap going across. But if you're looking for like a chunkier H vibe, these are honestly perfect. They're called the Izmirs. I saw this colour when we were in the Hermes store. I couldn't get my hands on the ship race. Obviously this was before True gifted me mine. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get the Izmirs. They're really comfortable. They're giving me the same kind of vibe, that like big H. And I loved this colour. I love this. It's kind of like, I think this is Epsom leather. It feels like Epsom leather. And it's kind of like an off-white grey colour, and then you've got this really dark grey khaki bottom, and I love that contrast. I got these in a size 40, so they fit me really great. They're so comfortable. I can't get over how comfortable the Izmirs are. If you get a chance to try on Hermes Izmirs, try them on. And they come in lots of different colours. They're easier to get than the ship rays, so I would definitely recommend these, and I think they're going to go with so much just because of the colour. And then next up, I think this was the same day that we got the Izmirs, I picked up this beautiful silk scarf. Now, I just saw this one, it was on display, and I was immediately drawn to it. The colour is incredible, and the pattern, so it has florals on it. And I was just looking at it, it was kind of like half like that. I was like, wow, this is incredible. Like, I need to try it on. I love these for wearing as tops. And then we opened it up and it's a horse. It's a horse. There's a horse made out of flowers, which I love. Obviously, Hermes is all about like equestrian, horses, that's their thing. And I just absolutely love this. I think it's so beautiful. I love that it's kind of like a hidden horse. You don't realize until you kind of open it up and really look into it. I think the colors are just amazing. Like, look at this, worn as a top. I'm gonna do a try on and show you how I'd wear it as a top. This is from their new collection, I believe, like their autumn winter. I remember I saw a really gorgeous blue scarf that I saw it, I didn't buy it, and then I was hunting it for months later, and I managed to get one by chance. But their scarves are so beautiful, and I feel like if you see one you like, you just kind of have to get it because you might not see it again. And I think they're just so special, so versatile. You can frame them up at home. People sometimes, you know, frame these. You can wear it as a scarf, you can wear it in your hair, you can wear it as a top. It's just so versatile. I think it's really worth the money. I think this was around 300 or 400 pounds. It's 100% silk. I think these make for such a great gift, and I thought this was beautiful with my orange Kelly. Like this with the orange Kelly would be amazing. I think this is also a great kind of entry level piece for Hermes if you're looking to start buying things from there and you want a piece. I think this is great because the price point is really reasonable for a 100% silk scarf. It's kind of in line with the other luxury brands. The quality is incredible and their prints and patterns are just so beautiful. So yeah, I can't wait to wear this. This is a perfect summer piece. And then lastly, I'm gonna end with the gift that True got me for our engagement. I can't believe he did this. Like, he really didn't have to get me a gift. The ring was more than enough, but he was just the sweetest, and I'm still like on cloud 9. Like, it feels like a dream to me. But yeah, so after our proposal, we went back to the hotel, and then he said, I've got another gift for you. He was supposed to give it to me the next day, but he actually gave it to me that evening because I think we were just both so excited. I don't know how he managed to get this piece because it's a very hard to get piece. He got me the Hermes Kelly to go. So this is a clutch and a wallet and also a crossbody bag. So I'm going to add the strap on and show you. But first of all, I just want to talk about the beauty of this bag. It's gold on gold, which is such a rare colour, in Epsom leather. It is absolutely stunning. We have a really great SA in London who managed to get this for True. Let me take my card holder out of using this. It has actually a lot of compartments. You have one compartment at the front which has 2 slots, one at the back which again has 2 slots, and then you have a zip section in the middle, and the zip is so cute. It has a little padlock on it. The craftsmanship of Hermes pieces, their leather goods, is incredible, and this is just like, even the zip, it has the padlock and then there has a H. And it's just like the details. When you just look at this bag, it's so stunning. You have Hermes Paris. So it comes to this strap, and this is how I was wearing it on holiday. So you just get through like this. I just don't know how he got this bag because this is a very hard to get bag, and I feel like a lot of the Hermes leather goods are hard to get, but especially the pieces that obviously resemble like the Kelly, you've got this bit, they are super hard to get, and like the resale for this is insane. It's almost double the price, and this is a bag that you can't just really walk in and get. It's not a wish list bag, I don't think, but it's not a bag that you can kind of just walk in and get. I think you have to have a good relationship with your SA, and True has a good relationship with the Hermes SA, so he did offer him this, which I'm still in shock about. Like, I remember opening this and I was like, how did you get this? So this is it with the strap. I absolutely love it. I think it's such a versatile bag. The fact that I can wear it as a clutch, it's the perfect summer clutch bag, and I've been looking for a clutch bag. Imagine with creams and whites, it's so beautiful. And then for day to day, if you want to, you could wear it with the strap as a crossbody, and it sits at the perfect length for me. Let me know what you guys think about this bag, because I actually haven't seen much about this bag online, and I think it's a really underrated bag. It's kind of giving me a little bit of the mini Kelly vibes, or the Kelly pochette vibes, but it's obviously not. So I think it's a great piece. The color is just gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear it. It's my engagement bag. I'm gonna forever remember this as my engagement bag. Okay, so that is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything in the description box down below, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.